cribs? You want to take a look at my spa? Come on in. What up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chandelier. I'm a licensed esthetician. I own this spa called Skin is In, and today I'm giving you a tour of my brand new space. I'm pretty excited. I'm less than 2 weeks away from the official grand opening. Although I have been taking a few of my clients, my space isn't really completely finished, but we are a work in progress. And if I haven't done anything on this channel, I have shown you everything from start to finish. Guys, today is day one in my studio space. Here it is. This is Skin is In Studios. I am going to take you guys on a tour. This is it. I can't wait to show you all of the exciting things that I've done and a lot of the stuff that I just incorporated from my studio. And yeah, I hope you guys find this video inspirational. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That's the only way that I actually know that you like the content that I'm making and I can make more videos like this. So let's go ahead and get into it. So one of my favorite areas that I absolutely love, and you've probably seen it a million times on my Instagram. Whoa, that was crazy. Kind of like my main focal point. This is something that I share a lot on my Instagram. I like this shot because you can see the greenery. I have a little tall grass here, a pothos, and then figuresen. You can see my plants, and I really like that. I like that you can see a little bit of my retail shelf, that you can see some of the checkered dimension in the couch. Then obviously we have the tea on display. And then the things that I really, really like about it is that it's kind of like an ode to my first studio. Here, house something. So I'm going to take it out and get it ready, and then I have to go get some distilled water, run my steamer for a minute, and then my model will be here for her service, and then my photographer will be here, and I will vlog everything so I can kind of show you guys what it looks like building a brand, bitch. Because painting was such a pain in the ass that I don't want to do it. Right now, it's not on my to-do list, but I really love how this just came together. I made it more crooked or less crooked. Can't tell you. Now I'm messing with it and I shouldn't have did that. Yeah, okay. I think it's this one that's throwing everybody off. Yeah. Let me look down. Okay. I love this mirror. I actually got this mirror my very first studio and it's been serving me. I'd like to fill this mirror with maybe like a hashtag Skin is In, tag us on social media, maybe put a little sticker up in that corner over there. I would like to put like a little sticker of some sort, but to be honest, I really like this. Yeah, so I love this space. I just love everything about it. I think let me come back from over here. I feel like it just sets such a good stage for how I want people to feel when they come in here. Yeah, so moving on to the couch area. I love the pillow. I feel like the pillow ties all of this like randomness together because this is a random ass space. Like when you really look at it, you're like, it's completely random. But it flows somehow, you know? Okay, one of the reasons that I had to switch my table is because I don't have any cabinets or any shelves in here. And I suck at hanging shelves. Girl, it wasn't gonna happen. So I ended up getting a table that has a ton of storage. You can actually like throw crap in here out of sight. Oh, here's my necklace. But yeah, I love this couch. It's so cozy. I lay on it. I get comfortable, I get myself nice and coziable. I will take a nap on this couch, you guys. Like, it's kind of wild looking at my spots and thinking like I started in a room probably a little smaller than this size, and to have like a couch and a restroom and a wax room and a treatment room, like, I think sometimes I don't feel like I'm
6.5 hours later. A few inches later. Day 2, day 3, day 4. A few moments later. 1 eternity later. 3 days later. 12 seconds later. 3:28 a.m. 3 weeks later. Many months later. So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire.
Well, I'm gonna just sit this for just a minute. That as a gift. One of my clients actually got this as a gift for me. I'm gonna use it as a jewelry holder for all of my clients to just set their jewelry right over here, their nose rings, their earrings, their necklaces. It was. Candle that a client got for me in the new space. So this is my wax room. It's actually pretty basic as well. Nothing too fucking fantastic is going on in here. I'll turn a light on so you guys can see. Actually, let me flip this area. I actually really like the wax room. I think it's very tranquil and relaxing. But I don't know, I think there's a lot of potential in this room, and right now it's just a room. Different things that I can do with this space, but the fact that I have it is awesome. Okay, let's go into the spa room. Alrighty guys. I love having all of the natural light. I also like to see my client's skin in natural light. But I still use my Cosmo Glow. As far as the treatment table, this treatment table is the same table that I have, including to still lift up. And I like that. It's great. Corner is my plants. Right now, I think the goal with this space is to embrace having a white room. I'm never comfortable in white rooms. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so I have a humidifier in this room because I have a lot of plants in here, and I will show you guys a couple of my favorites. One that actually made it from the spa, if you guys don't know, this little guy I've had for such a long time. And I say little guy, but it's really an absolutely gorgeous snake plant. I need to take it and repot him. So I have a table, and I also have back here my portable sink that I ended up buying. Let me go turn it on for you guys. I don't really use this sink. I use it if I need some water or something and I'm like in a service. I use it if I have a bunch of services back to back and I need some water. But yeah, I don't really ever use it, but it works really well. I like it. I also have my 2 Zimmet machines. So I actually got a Yukon toolbox. I got a 1 drawer Yukon toolbox for like $200. And my stuff is locked in here. And let me turn it.
Don't know if you know this too. I'd rather be right here with you. Nothing else matters right now. It's just you and me, boy.
Overall, this is my spa, and it's very much a work in progress, but you know, even though there's a lot more that I would like to do and accomplish with this space, I'm excited to see how my business grows in here and how it changes as I grow, and how it has more of my business character. Here, let me move this. I'm just grateful for the growth and the journey. It has been fucking amazing. Like, it has been amazing. like 7,000 subscribers. 7,000 people. 7,000, like 7,000 people, not 700, not 70, not 1,700, not 27, not 37, not 4,800, not 55, not 6,600. 7,000 people are subscribed to my YouTube channel, and I don't take it lightly what I do with you guys and how we connect and how we grow. I try to share you all the different versions of myself, even the versions of myself that I'm not like most comfortable with myself in. Like the last video I posted, it was just really a real talk video, and even though I probably could have spent a little bit more time getting dressed and getting cute and all of that shit, I just gave it to you real and raw, and I think that's who I am and that's how I navigate, and it's why you guys are here. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked coming on this tour with me and checking out my spa space, and it continues to push you. And just know that Rome's not built overnight, neither is your business going to be, and it's okay. There's going to be a lot of ups, there's a lot of downs. Remember that when you're going through stuff. I know I have to remind myself all of the time. I am currently in a peaks and valleys season of my life as a business owner and as a person. And I give myself grace every day, and you should do the same. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, check out my other channel. If you do, check out my other playlists. All right, y'all, that's it for today. You don't gotta go home, but you do gotta get the hell up out of here. No, I'm kidding. I'm joking. No, but you do need to go. No, I'm kidding. There's actually a ton of fucking content for you to watch. So if you are in a binge mode, check out my playlist, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.